Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. In this video, I want us to look at this question on functions. The question reads, the functions f and h are defined by f of x, which is equal to ax plus 6 over x, where x is not equal to 0, and h of x is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 3, where x is not equal to 3. Find a h square of x, then b the value of a for which fh of 3 is equal to 6. So starting with this one, h square of x, here we are just basically working with this function here, hx, okay, which is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 3. So we are substituting the same function here, which is given x plus 1 over x minus 3 on x. Okay, so this will go like this. A h square x, this is just simple substitution of the fraction on x. So x plus 1 over x minus 3, then plus 1, that is for the top part. Then below on x also, we put x plus 1 over x minus 3, then minus 3. So that's what we are getting for the substitution. Then what we just have to do now is simplify what we have on top and what we have below. So here I'll write over 1 to make them as fractions. And then we'll get the common denominators. So h square of x is equal to, common denominator on the top part is just x minus 3. So x minus 3 into x minus 3, that is 1 times x plus 1, this gives x plus 1. Then 1 into x minus 3, that gives x minus 3. Then times 1, that gives x minus 3. Then below, the common denominator is x minus 3. So x minus 3 into x minus 3, 1. 1 times x plus 1, this gives x plus 1. Then 1 into x minus 3 gives x minus 3 times negative 3. So negative 3 is multiplying with the x to give us negative 3x. The same negative 3 is multiplying with the negative 3 here to give us positive 9. So that's what we get for the top part below. Then h square of x is equal to, we can just simplify what we have here. X plus x gives 2x. 1 minus 3, this gives minus 2, then over x minus 3, then this is a division, so divide by. Then here below, x minus 3x, this gives negative 2x. Then 1 plus 9, this gives 10. Then over x minus 3. So what we'll just do now is change this operation to multiplication and then reciprocate the fraction that we have after that operation. So h square of x is equal to 2x minus 2 over x minus 3 times x minus 3 over negative 2x plus 10. X minus 3 into x minus 3, that is 1. And x minus 3 into x minus 3, that is also 1 here. So what we are getting is the following. 2x minus 2 times 1, this gives 2x minus 2 over 1 times negative 2x plus 10. This gives negative 2x plus 10. Then we can factor out what is common on top and below, that is 2. So 2, factoring out 2 leaves us with x minus 1 in brackets here. And then below, factoring out 2, we'll get negative x plus 5. So this gives 2 into 2, that is 1. And then h square of x is equal to x minus 1 over negative x plus 5. So this is what we get for the first part, h square of x. Then moving on to b, the value of a for which fh of 3 is equal to 6. So for this one, we are going to start with finding fh of x. So let's get fh of x. So b, what is fh of x? This is a function of h, this is a function of f. So this function of h is substituting into the function of f. So wherever there is x here, we are going to put this fraction, x plus 1 over x minus 3. So this is just going to be like this. So a is going to multiply with this fraction, x plus 1 over x minus 3. Then on top we've got plus 6, so we indicate plus 6. Then below it's just over x, so meaning that fraction, x plus 1 over x minus 3. Now at this point we cannot substitute the value of x as 3. This is because we're going to have a situation where this function will be undefined. So what do? We simplify further first. Let's simplify further. What we have on top, a is going to multiply with the numerator here on top. So let's do it this way. What is a times x? So it gives ax. A times 1, that is a. Then over x minus 3, then plus 6. So we can say over 1. Working it out as a fraction, the common denominator is x minus 3. X minus 3 into x minus 3, 1. Times ax plus a. This gives ax plus a. Then 1 into x minus 3. This gives x minus 3 times 6. This will give us plus 6x. Then negative 18. Okay, so this is what we are going to write on top. Okay, so let me write it like this. So fh of x is equal to ax plus a plus 6x minus 18 over x minus 3. Then below, so I'll just indicate division, x plus 1 over x minus 3. So that's what we have there. Now we can change this to multiplication and then reciprocate that. So fh of x is equal to ax plus a plus 6x minus 18 over x minus 3 times x minus 3 over x plus 1. And this here simplifies, giving us 1 and there 1. So now what we can do now is multiply the top part and the bottom part, which will give us the following: ax plus a plus 6x minus 18, then over 1 times x plus 1, this gives x plus 1. So now we can substitute. Where there's x, we put 3. So this will go like this. Substitution. F h of 3 is equal to, so if you put 3 here, a times 3 is going to give us 3a, then plus a, then plus 6 times 3, this is just 18, and 18 minus 18, that is 0. So on top we are just getting this. Then below, x plus 1, this is 3 plus 1, which is 4. So fh of 3 gives 3a plus a over 4. Now we equate this to 6 because fh of 3 is equal to 6. So for this, we'll do the following. (3a plus a), this gives 4a over 4. So this is our fh of 3. So this equals to 6. So then what is the answer? What is A? So 4 can simplify with 4, giving us 1. 1 times A is just A equal to 6. So that's what we get for A on the last part there. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.